Good evening, this is Brecht from Excru Games, and today I'm going to talk about me trying to understand what Playfab is, what it does, and how I can use it in my project, and also some more of my client work today. So, first off, Playfab. It's basically some kind of like a backend platform that you can use. It has leaderboards. Yeah, you can use it for leaderboards. You can use it for sending player data to there so it can act like some sort of a database. You can add economic options for people to buy stuff in your game. There's much more you can do with it, but that's basically what it's most used for. Yeah, so I tried integrating, or like not really integrating, I just tried doing Playfab, communicating with Playfab in Unity, and I'm following the tutorial from Infogamer. I got some things done, but you need to watch out. You have to use Unity 2019.4, the long-term support version, because if you use 2020.1 you will get errors because it's not yet updated for 2020.1, or not an error but a warning. So I preferred working with LTS version. So anyway, I made some stuff where the player can log in and then update stats, and that works fine from the client, but I had some problem with then updating the stats via the server, which is like in Playfab you have these cloud scripts which are written in JavaScript that you can use on the server itself. You have to write them on their site itself, in their where's their thing here? Let me see. Oh, there it is. Here I log in, I have my game. It's in automation. There are some JavaScript things there, and basically you have to call them within your Unity, and then you write JavaScript inside Playfab, inside the browser. It's kind of weird. I've never really even worked in JavaScript, so I don't really know. And I've never worked like this. It looks kind of weird, but I think for people who can use this, they probably have an advantage, because they can probably use this to sell games on the market, or like to sell in-game items in their game, and use it as some kind of database and for leaderboards. So it looks like a fun backend to have if you can actually manage to communicate with it easily. I still have to wrap my head around it, but I'm not sure if I'm even going to use it, but I'm going to try figuring it out. I still have some hours, and maybe tomorrow. But anyway, the second part for my cloud script, sorry, not my cloud script, for my client work, I was working on his game, and basically I had to fix some bugs. There was a bug with the reload system, a bug where the weapon, when you're shooting, well, you're shooting with the mouse of course, but you have to keep clicking for it to fire every time. So I changed it so that I just need to hold down the mouse button and it fires and keeps on firing in according to the fire rate that we set. I also added some barrels that can explode and damage your health, and the further away from the barrel, the less it will damage you. I added a live bar, I added bushes. The bushes, they need to be destroyable, but you can't collide with them, so you can just hide underneath them or pass through them, whatever. Yeah. pretty cool. I managed to get some things done at school. Tomorrow I'll have another 3-4 hours of work. So that's cool. My freelancing, it's good for my freelancing career, this, because the more work I have, the better. The more paid work I have, of course. But yeah, this was basically it for today. Tonight I'm gonna do more Playfab. I probably won't really understand it, but I'll try my best. And tomorrow is a new day. We'll see what I'll do tomorrow. But anyway, this was Xscript Games. I'm logging out. Like the video if you like the video. And if you want to really help me out, consider subscribing. Because I really want to grow my YouTube channel. It's a good opportunity. So thank you, have a good night, and see you tomorrow.